Sometimes, like, when you see the star next to the question, it predisposes you to think that it's hard, which can be damaging to your problem-solving process.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So don't let them intimidate you with their suggestion that it's hard. Okay, we need to distribute 12 pieces of candy to 4 kids. So I should say 12 candy pieces to 4 kids, and 2 are twins.
And must get the same amount.
And must get equal number of pieces. Any ideas?
They can each get 6, they can each get 5, they can each get 4, they can each get 3, they can each get 2, they can each get 1, they can each get 0.
So, right, okay. So they can each get, so start over.
They can each get 6,
All right.
they can each get 5, they can each get 4.
So the twins can get 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1. Or 0, right? So I think, kind of a not-so-genius way to do this.
We'll just be going through all the possibilities for
everyone. Right. And so I don't know if there's a smarter way to do it. There's almost certainly a smarter way to do it. But we can just go through each one of these. We're going to distribute, for 6, we're going to distribute, what? Well, that's it. There's only one way.
One way,
to
one way,
give,
and only one
right?
way.
And then here we've got 2 pieces of candy left over, and we got to distribute to 4 kids.
Yeah.
Right. Not to 4 kids, to 2 kids.
2 kids, because 2 of the kids are twins.
Right. 2 to 2. Right. And then
There's
this
2 ways
would be.
To do that. No, there's 3 ways to do that. There's one of the kids gets 1, and the other kid gets 1, or one kid gets 2, or the other kid gets 2.
Right.
There are 3 ways to do that.
Right. Or we can skip to the formula and say it's what, 3 choose 1.
Yeah.
Right. Because N is
3
3 and K is 2. Mm-hmm. No, N is 2 and K is 2.
Yes.
Right. So it's 2 plus 2 minus 1, choose 2 minus 1.
Okay.
Right. Anyway, 4 kids. Now we're distributing 4 candies to 2 kids. Now we're distributing 6 candies to 2 kids, and so on. Right. Now we're distributing 8 candies to 2 kids, 10, and 12. Agreed?
Okay.
And each of these has a formula.
Yeah.
Right? So should we go through all these?
I guess we can add them up, and if later we can pick up a faster way, then...
Yeah, I think probably the best thing for you to do is to just sort of do this on your own. You don't need me to go through and add all these numbers up for you.
So it's
right? So what's the thing we're trying to do?
Can we just do one more?
What do you mean one more?
So
let's even zoom further out. I like this thing about the video, how you can zoom out and then do.
Better than paper.
So, essentially, let's go one by one. We're adding 1 plus 3 choose 1. Right? Because here, N is 2 and K is 2.
That's 4.
Right? So far it's 4.
Yeah.
Right? And here, and, for the second one, we're saying N is going to be 2 for all these. Right? Mm-hmm. So N is 2 no matter what. And then K is, 4, and then K is 6, and so on. Right? So, these are always going to go up by 2. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Each of these is going to go up by 2.
Mm-hmm.
Agreed?
Yes.
Okay. And then we end with, hold on. Let me erase this. So I'm just gonna keep the whole thing of like I'm just gonna zoom out every single time.
Okay.
9, choose 7. 11, choose 9, and then the last one will be 13, choose 11. Right?
Yeah.
And this will be this will be 6 candies. Sorry, this is 6 candies, and then 5 candies, and then 4 candies, 3 candies, 2 candies, 1 candy, 0 candies to the twins, respectively.
Mm-hmm.
Agreed?
We could treat a twin like a person.
Treat a twin like a person.
Treat
I don't
that
know.
twin like a person.
I don't know if they'd appreciate that, but
They are
yes,
people.
I agree. At some point, though, they probably would get tired of being treated like the same person all the time. Okay, so now, I mean, is there a clever way to add this up? Probably. I think. I mean, you should probably think about. Is there a clever way to add this up? And I'm gonna leave you with that. Okay, because like there has to be some sort of nifty formula for adding up. So we can say, whoops.
Oh. 5 heads.
What would 3 choose 1 plus 5 choose 3 plus 7 choose 5 plus 9 choose 7? I don't know. I mean, let's hit pause on this, and that's your homework. Figure out a nifty formula. Nifty formula? Or, in general, like a nifty way to add up, this sequence of chooses where each choice is going up by 2.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. Because I don't know if the way I said it actually makes sense.